Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again, Mary is asleep, and I thought I would do a quick video to share what is inside my Kate Spade Katy bag. I absolutely love this bag. I am so smitten with it. I'm so thrilled with it. It's just so beautiful. It's even better in real life than it looks online. I think what's really shocked me about this bag is two things. First of all, the quality of the wicker is so beautiful. I'd always avoided wicker bags because I was worried that like the finish on the edges, if it bashed into my leg, would be quite spiky. I was worried if I was wearing tights, it would like ladder the tights. But actually it's so smooth, it's so beautiful. It's like the perfect weave. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then the second thing I love about this bag is when you open it up, it extends, which I just think is like such a cute detail. I don't know why, it's just so pleasing. Anyway, here is my bag. I love it, it's gorgeous. It's like my perfect summer bag. I just adore it, it's so cute. It's currently in stock, but it has sold out a couple of times, so if you want it, I would try and pounce on it quick, but I just think it's an incredible bag. This is what the back looks like. You hold it with the top handle. There is also a shoulder strap, but I'm all about that top handle life. There is studs on the bottom so that it keeps it nice and clean, and it's just beautiful quality, and like the leather is gorgeous. It's really tactile, but it's also quite durable, so it is the perfect mix. But today I thought I would show you what's inside and like just give you a feel for like what actually fits inside. So I'm just going to lift it open. You just pop it open like that, and then you can see it is quite full, but it's a really good bag for getting your stuff into. Like I feel like you can really jam it in, which is great because I am a bit of a bag lady. So yeah, this is it. There is still a little bit of space for my car keys. I don't know. Yeah, a little bit of space left. Anyway, so the first thing in my bag is my trusty Ray-Ban sunglasses. These are Wayfarers. I love them. I've had them for about 7, 8, 9 years now. So long. I don't even keep them in a case anymore, but they're still going strong and I love them. You just can't beat a good pair of Wayfarers. And I think they're especially good if you've got a big old face, you know? They're not too small. Anyway, the next thing I've got are my AirPods. I love these. I think they are a game changer. I used to think they look stupid and now I'm like, they are so smart. They're the smartest bit of tech I think I own. Anyway, next I have a pot of Egyptian magic. I love this stuff, it's incredible. You can literally use it as everything from a natural highlighter to a lip balm to a hand cream to a cuticle balm to a nappy rash cream, everything and in between. It's soothing if you get like a nettle sting. I just think it's a really handy thing to have in my bag, especially with Mary, so that is that. And then next I have my iPhone. I have the iPhone, I don't even know what number it is, but it's a Max Plus, so it's a larger size. So that is in my bag, and it's got a pretty hefty case and a pop socket on the back. And then what have we got next? I'm just going to give you an update. There's still plenty of space left. I'm going to show you Mary's nappy and wipes. I always have to carry nappy and wipes. I have more in my car, more in the house obviously, but it's always handy to just have one in my handbag for like emergencies. And this is quite a bulky item as well, so you know that does take up quite a lot of space, but I need them. And then what have I got next? I've got a lot of things in here. So I am big into just having one big pouch which fits a load of stuff in. So this pouch is from Accessorize. I just think it's really sweet. My friend works there, so he gave it to me and I love it. And inside I have a hair clip. It's very cute. It says happy. I have quite like unruly hair, and I feel like if I just have a couple of clips I look a bit more pulled together, so I always have hair clips on me. I have some Sudocreme. It's looking pretty old and battered now, but that's again just handy. Nappy rash, I don't know, just anything I need. It's just a handy little cream to have with me. I've got a lipstick. This is one I've spoken about quite a lot actually. It is L'Oreal and it's La Rose Activist. It is probably one of my favourite lipsticks ever. It's just a really good shade of like pinky red. It's gorgeous, super wearable, really long lasting, gorgeous formula. Love it, really easy to apply. One of my favourite lipsticks ever. And then I've got another lipstick. This is Charlotte Tilbury. This is it Miranda May? Yes, it is. This is really pretty. I think I actually prefer the L'Oreal one, which is quite funny, but it's a really pretty colour and I love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. And then I have a tampon. It's quite a small tampon, that one. Postpartum, I've needed much bigger tampons, just saying. Then I have an Invisibobble because I am an Invisibobble addict. What have I got next? I've got a little hand cream, a little mini L'Occitane hand cream. And then I've got a snack for Mary. This is just a little oaty banana bar. And then I think I have one for me as well. Yes, I do. This is, I don't know where this is from, maybe M&S. It is a salted caramel and chocolate protein bar. I think it was for when I was breastfeeding and I needed like extra. So I have one left, so I put it in my bag. And then I have a little tester of perfume. These are quite handy for having in your handbag just to kind of top up. And this is Arizona Bloom, which is really pretty. I think I got it in my latest in beauty box. Then I have another, I don't know who this is by. Should I missed it? It's not coming out. Oh, there it is. Just took a time. Ooh. Ooh, I do not know what I think of that. Ooh. I do not know what I think of that. I don't know if I really like it or I really dislike it. I don't think I like it. I think it might be really bad. Maybe it's a grower? Oh, it's starting to be interesting to me, but I still don't think it's good. Maybe I left it in the sun and it's gone off. I don't know. Anyway, this is teething granules for Mary. I call this baby crack because you literally do a line of it and you like dab it on her gums. Very strange, but it works really well. I think it's called Teether. And then what have I got? I've got some paracetamol. That's not for Mary, that is for me. Don't worry, I'm not that irresponsible. Then I've got some more hair clips here because again, hair clip addict. And then I've got hay fever pills. And then I've got stamps, which I think I actually need to get rid of soon because I think we need new stamps. I think they're discontinuing the old stamps. So anyway, I need to get rid of them soon. And then I've got a plaster and I think that is it. So yeah, that is what fits into my Kate Spade Katy bag. I love this bag so much. This is the inside. It's just got a zip pocket, a little slip pocket, and then it's got one big nice section. If I wasn't carrying around nappies, I would probably have a little camera in there, but for now, the camera has to stay at home and nappies have to be in there inside. But it's a really good size handbag. It fits loads in, everything I need, and yeah, it's just so cute. It's so cute, you know, when you're like, I think I'm gonna wear it to my sister's wedding. It's just adorable. Like, it's the perfect summer handbag, and it's so good. The wicker is like so cute and it's just so well made. I'm absolutely thrilled with it. It is adorable. It's bringing me so much joy, I have to be honest. I love it. It's so much better than I thought it would be as well. Like, I thought it was gonna be good, but it's great, you know, when you're like, it's top tier. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.